India's only indigenous vaccine has received the go-ahead from the World Health Organization for emergency use. The WHO approval will be a huge shot in the arm for low and middle income countries looking to inoculate their populations. Neha Poonia explains.
The vaccine, which has been developed and manufactured by Indian firm Bharat Biotech and backed by the Indian government, has been approved by the WHO for use by anyone above the age of 18. 2 doses of the vaccine can be taken at a gap of 4 weeks, according to the WHO, who says that the benefits of the vaccine far outweigh any risks. The WHO says the vaccine has a proven efficacy of about 78%. But the public health body said that data available so far is insufficient to assess whether or not the vaccine is safe for pregnant women to use. The note from the WHO comes as a huge relief to millions of Indians who took this vaccine and should now be able to travel to countries that recognize vaccines authorized by the public health body. India has administered more than 100 million Covaxin doses so far, and this is the second most popular vaccine in the country after the AstraZeneca shot. A government expert panel in India also recently recommended that Covaxin be given to children in the age group of 2 to 18 years, but a go-ahead from the country's drug regulator is still pending. India's approval to Covaxin did initially run into controversy. The vaccine was authorized for wide-scale use here in January, when clinical trials were still underway. The WHO note also came nearly 5 months after Bharat Biotech submitted data to prove the vaccine's efficacy and safety. But the approval is a huge shot in the arm for India's vaccine industry. It will allow the country to ship millions of doses of Covaxin to poor and middle-income countries who rely on WHO guidance for regulatory decisions on vaccines. Covaxin doesn't need sub-zero temperatures, and this means it can be easily stored and transported, making it ideal for many African nations. Experts say India can now commit millions of doses of this vaccine to the COVAX program. Bharat Biotech plans to produce about 50 million doses per month, and the company also said it is willing to transfer technology to countries to allow them to make this vaccine at home. Until April this year, India ran an extensive vaccine outreach program. It had sold or donated more than 60 million doses to about 90 countries, including South Africa. But when the deadly second wave hit, India briefly halted vaccine exports. But now the government has once again said it plans to export surplus doses to countries that need them. Neha Poonia, SABC News, New Delhi.